But no.
This. I'm telling you.
No. In the lab.
I'm telling you.
When I was looking at the crushed product, I was like, like my.
You
We're heading to the factory.
Okay.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited. Is my foundation too dark for my wife? Guys, wait. We need to explain what just happened.
Guys, I'm new
We were talking for
vlogging.
10 minutes, and then all of a sudden I look, I'm like, Natalie, we're not recording.
I don't know how to vlog.
Welcome to the vlog live. Okay, what were we saying? Sorry. Okay. We are on the way to the factory.
Woo.
This is the first factory we're going to see. We really want to find a factory that's local. So
Yes.
a factory in California. We're just gonna hopefully get a lot of questions answered today.
This is a first step, so we're figuring things out as we go. This might not be the factory we land on.
Yeah.
It might be. We don't know.
We're gonna ask some stuff about packaging.
Yes.
We brought our samples. We're gonna talk about formulas,
Yes.
timelines, all that stuff. So we just have so many questions, and hopefully today we could just get some answers and just get that ball rolling. Really.
Yes.
So we are here at the factory. We're about to go in. We're very excited to get some information.
I'm standing a little bit behind you so that we don't look, the height difference isn't so crazy.
Oh, okay.
We're so excited. We're at the factory. She already said that.
Let's do it. Hello. How are you? Good, thank you.
Yeah.
Eman Natalie. Nice to meet you. Good, thank you.
Natalie.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. This is so beautiful. That's so cool. Thank you so much. Okay,
We'll
perfect.
be in touch. Bye.
Oh my god.
It was so legit.
That was insane.
It was amazing. I'm still like
This is
processing.
it was a lot to take in.
It's a
for
lot,
sure.
but he answered literally every single question we had, which is incredible.
I honestly felt like emotional in there. Like
I knew you would.
I was like, this is crazy. When we were looking at the production, like I was just thinking back to like when I was young
Yeah.
and like started working with makeup brands. Like I haven't felt that feeling of like encountering something new in this business
I literally
for so long.
I know.
was like,
I literally when he took us down to the factory where we couldn't film because we weren't
Yeah.
allowed. All I kept
It
on
was
thinking was
amazing.
like, oh my god, this is happening. This
Yeah.
is happening.
Yeah.
This is really happening.
It was a moment.
It
It
was
was
a
a
moment.
moment. I felt it
For
too.
sure.
I was like-
and we were both so quiet,
we're
so
like,
I knew
uh-huh.
that.
And he's
like,
just giving us so much information. We're like, okay, yeah.
But it was unbelievable.
amazing.
It was amazing. Obviously, we need to figure out pricing for everything. We need to
Yes.
source packaging people, figure out how much everything's going to cost with what we want to do, and then if we move forward with them, that'd be great. That was unbelievable.
No,
that
that
made it
was-
like so much more real.
It made it so real, and it made it so like we're really doing this.
I feel like we say that in every episode.
We're really, I thought my favorite part of this was going to be the campaign. I really did. I was like, oh, the campaign's going to be it. That's going to be where I'm really all in. But no.
I'm telling you.
No. In the lab.
I'm telling you.
When I was looking at the crushed product, I was like, like my.
Tell me you got that. That's exactly what happened to me. I never thought that I was into the the production part until I did it with Catrice, and I was like, oh my god, I love this. The formulating,
the mixing, like that's what I love about makeup is it's like playtime, like making a mess. About the top of the lipstick, and I pictured the XX,
yeah,
like right on the top of the lipstick, on the top of the bitch red lipstick. Attitude, what? Oh, SYXX Beauty.
That's what you're saying. Make it work.
Make it work.
We are off to the factory. I'm so excited.
The bouncing.
Cool. We are off to the factory.